यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम। दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं, कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं, दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है, इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है। रोके से ना रुके हम, मर्जी से चले हम, बादल सा गरजे हम, सावन सा बरसे हम, सूरज सा चमके हम, स्कूल चले हम, स्कूल चले हम।
Amazing to see all familiar faces after 28 years.
Same here.
Thank you. So let's start this day with prayer. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it. I especially understand you on the page.
Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Uttara, Vanga, Vindhya, Himachal, Yamuna, Ganga, Uttara, Dalasi, Saranga, Tava Shubha Nami, Dayaka, Jaya He, Bharata, Bhagya Vidata, Jaya He, Jaya He, Jaya He.
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ
ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ. ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು, ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ. ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ. ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ. ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ.
ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ತಾಯಿನ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನ ದೂರ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಫೇಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಜೊತೆಗಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಯುವರಾಜ್, ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆರ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ.
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಕಲಿತ ಜಾಗ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಗುರುತು ಅರಿತ ಜಾಗ, ಕನಸುಗಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಡೆದ ಜಾಗ, ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪಡೆದ ಜಾಗ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೂ ಕೀಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ಞಾನದ ಹಸಿವಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮೊದಲು ಕೊನೆಯಿಲ್ಲ. ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಶಾಲೆ, ತಾಯಿನೇ ಗುರುವು, ತಾಯಿಗೂ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳಿದ ಗುರುವೇ ಅರಿವು. ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎನ್ನುವುದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿದ ದೇಶ ನಮದು, ವಿಶ್ವದ ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಂದೆ. ಗುರಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂದೆ ಗುರು ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಂಬಿ ನಡೆದರೆ ಸಾಕು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಬದುಕು.
ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚನ ನನಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದು ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ನನ್ನ ಗುರುಗಳು. ಐ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆರ್ಕೆ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ.
ಬೆರೆಯೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಂಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಹಂಚಿ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೆ ತಲೆಬಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಬದುಕುವ ರೀತಿ ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಮ ಕಾಯುವ ರಕ್ಷೆ, ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಹಿಡಿದ ಕೈ ಸರಿದಾರಿಯ ನಕ್ಷೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ದುಡಿಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ, ತಿದ್ದೋ ಗುರುವಿನ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬರವಣಿಗೆ. ಓದಿಸುವವರಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸಿರಿತನ ಬಡತನ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಓದೋ ಮನಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಪದವಿ ಅಂಕೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀ ಗೆದ್ದ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಿನಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯ ಎಂದಿಗೂ ಸೋಲುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು, ಸಾವಿರ ನೆನಪು, ಸಾವಿರ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಸವೆಯದ ನೆನಪು. ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದ ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು.
ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸಾವಿರ ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದ ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ತೊರೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಡೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಡಿಲ ಅಪ್ಪಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣೀರ ನೆನಪು ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸಾವಿರ ನೆನಪು ಮೊದಲ್ ಹಿಡಿದ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಚಿಟ್ಟೆ ಮೊದಲ್ ಕದ್ದ ಜಾತ್ರೆಯ ವಾಚು ಮೊದಲ್ ಸೇದಿದ್ದ ಗಣೇಶ ಬೀಡಿ ಮೊದಲ್ ಕೂಡಿಟ್ಟ ಹುಂಡಿಯ ಕಾಸು ಮೊದಲ್ ಕಂಡ ಟೂರಿಂಗ್ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮೊದಲ್ ಗೆದ್ದ ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಟ
hairstyle or our waistline.
Yeah, true, but one thing is that hasn't changed is excitement and warmth that filled our school corridors back in those days.
If you remember our snacks like jiggly, nelikai, cold drinks, pineapple, orange mints, etc. And last minute homework from class mischiefs to farewell tears. We are all here today to relive these golden memories once again.
So, we'll begin with the lighting of the lamp. I invite all the teachers to come onto the dais and we'll begin the program.
Respected teachers, please come on stage to light the lamp.
Yoshna Manjari Patra, Chayavati, Shahin, and Lakshmi Narayana and Nalini. To felicitate Srimati Nadagaddi, Madam. Nadagaddi Madam has joined us in the year 1992 and Madam has supported us in all the ways, and today she has sponsored 5,000 rupees for all the children to have chocolates.
Ready, smile. Good, ma'am.
ये गलो करने को नहीं
Our Kannada teacher who has laid the foundation of Kannada for all the children in the school from 7th to 10th standard, and we all have come out with colorful scores. I invite Sumalata, Jyotsna, Subhashni M. Request everyone to give a round claps of applause.
Call upon Srimati Philomena Das, teacher. To facilitate the teacher, I request Nirmala, Lata, Sulochana to come on stage. Nirmala D. D. Nirmala D. Lata. Request Srimati Barbara Francis to come on stage, and I request A. Nirmala, Sunita N. and Florence to come on stage, please. A. Nirmala, Sunita N. and Florence, please come on stage. Master. To facilitate, sir, I request Meenakshi, Sapna and Suhasini D to come on stage. Meenakshi, Sapna and Suhasini D. Now I call upon Srimati Nancy teacher to come on stage. I call upon Koteshwari, Veena and Renuka to come and facilitate the teacher.
Guys, cheer for our teachers and students here.
On Shri Soni Master onto the stage. I request Munawar Begum, Firdaus, Vani Sunita and Manjula to come and facilitate, sir.
Guys, I think you had idli vada. I hope you have that much energy to clap.
Now I call upon Srimati Arla teacher to come onto the stage. To facilitate the teacher, I request Bharti, Daisy, Chaya.
Come forward and
Students as well as their experience with all the batches.
This is not a picture hall. This is like a temple. I don't want anybody listening. Please, I am very, very, very sorry to listen from you. Please. In front of you, so many headmistresses are sitting and your teachers are sitting. I don't want to see this. So, good afternoon to all of you. So, before I could address the gathering, I would like to some sayings. Please pay attention to me. This is not for me. As I am sitting, whenever I am free, I will take my pen, I will be writing. Because I had the 15 days. I am very sorry. I was sitting for the prayer. I thought you would come for the nobody approached me. But even I came.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Especially today is a harvest festival in my church. But I came, I wanted to see you people. That was not 65 days like this, 28 years of a long year. Is it so?
Yes,
Yes. Okay. So the sayings I would like to say, years may have passed, but the bond, friendship, bond means the friendship or love we share as a teacher and students, it remains eternal. It remains forever. The relationship between you and me, it remains forever. Next, I feel wonderful. I feel wonderful to see the same eyes shining with wisdom or sparkle with curiosity. A teacher plants the seeds of knowledge forever. A teacher, a farmer will be sowing in the field seed that will come out as a harvest. He will be very happy, the farmers. In the same way, our duty as a teacher, we sow the seeds. But the seeds are grown very happily. So we see that is the seed means the seed of knowledge we sow. So the best teachers, who are the best teachers means the best teachers teach from the heart, not from the books. Good teachers are like a candles, they continue themselves to light the way to others. So first I would like to conclude this, real Indians are good. Real Indians provide us that friendship or memories and they are timeless. Real Indians believes friendship, forgetting and remembering but they will connect us. So time has gone by, but the memories we shared in those classrooms, the classroom corridors, under the tree, they are timeless. The eyes of my friends, the teachers, those memories I will carry with me. So, respected colleagues, dear students of 1990 for the batch, and all gathered here, with you immense pleasure, honor, immense joy, and pride. How many years you know? After 28 long years, with many familiar faces and cherished memories, as your teacher, perhaps as your teacher means myself, sometimes and to see this all is filled with bright, accomplished faces. You are no longer the young boys and girls I once taught in the classroom. You are now responsible adults, professionals, many of you may be parents and leaders in different walks of life. Yet, in my heart, you will always remain whom you know, my students only. When I think back to your time in school, many memories come alive. The classroom filled with your laughter, the little quiz I used to conduct for the social science quiz and elocution, that is debate, the friendship, and even the mischief that brought life into our corridors. Each of you left an impression that time has not erased, that cannot be erased. What a journey it has been. I still remember many of you as a young, curious and sometimes mischievous students, full of dreams, questions and energy. So regarding education, I want to say, education is a journey. It has been. Education is not only about lessons from the textbook you learn. So education is, for example, it is womb to tomb. Education is a continuous process. It starts from birth to death. Maybe a doctor will be there, maybe an engineer, a doctor who has completed, returned from foreign, so many degrees will be having, yet he has to update his knowledge, he has to learn and teach. That's why I said that education is a continuous process, there is no death. Don't think that all my sincere advice to you, update your knowledge, understand, go with the technology. So it is about the values. Education is about the values, discipline, character, and the courage to face life. If you are competent, now you are living in a competitive world. Understand? We should have a computer brain. We should update our knowledge. Don't you think that though I am an aged, understand, the institution where I am working simply not keeping me. Understand? I update my knowledge. I go according to the WhatsApp messages. Not only that, laptop, all that I will go on that. They are very happy. This year, last Friday only, we had one rank holder from the Karnataka University, 6th rank, that is in my subject only, that is methods, English methods. The child got out of 38 universities come under Karnataka University, that girl bagged 6th rank, for which I am very proud of you. I want to see my students also, railway school students are also no less. I always remember Mrs. Sachikala madam. She used to, when she used to give a speech, you know, she used to say, kisi se kam nahi. Come on, complete that sentence to me. Kisi se kam nahi hai, she used to say that. We are no less. Understand? We always should feel proud. So next, it gives me deep satisfaction to know that the seeds sown in those years by me have grown into a strong trees bearing good fruits in your careers, your families and service to society. Dear students, today's gathering is not about mixed emotions, feelings of pleasure. It is a reminder that life is a journey. Life is a journey of learning. The world has changed so much since 1997. Technology has advanced. Society has developed gradually, slowly. The society also is developing over time. And challenges have multiplied. But one thing remains constant. It remains continued, that strength of the values you carry with you. Strength of the values you carry with you. So I urge you to keep alive the spirit of gratitude. Pay attention, please. My class, I don't want. Once I start the class, I want the perfect silence. Don't listen from here, leave out from the other ear. Please pay attention. I have come all the way to speak to you only. Please. I urge you to keep alive the spirit of gratitude. Gratitude to your parents. Honor your father and mother. Then only you will get your blessings. The word of God says, honor, respect your father and mother. I used to think, when I stand for the giving the lecture in the classroom, more than 2 hours also I will stand and speak. My children will be so quiet and sincere. All graduate students, I am teaching the graduate students. Understand? B.Ed, BSc, all communication skills I will teach them. The classroom should be quiet, not only keeping quiet. I will be interacting with them, whether they are paying attention or no, are they understanding or no, then I will catch them. Then I will punish them. Now I am not going to punish you, don't worry. The page is gone. Your parents also, you have your own children studying also. Some of you may be having grandchildren also, 28 years, especially the girls. Okay. I sacrifices for your education to your teachers who guided you. The institution which is shaped your foundation. Gratitude will keep you humble no matter how you rise. You may be the President of India. Which hotel we are here now in? President Hotel. Who is the present President of India? Come on, raise your hands and tell me. Come on, madam, tell me who is the President of India. Come on, anyone? Mrs. Draupadi. Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. See, she is from the Dalit lady. How she has come up in our life, you see. She doesn't have any personality. When she was taking the oath that day, people swore what, she is a Dalit lady. And what the personality you are going to take. See the knowledge, how she has came up from the bottom and became the president. Today we are saluting her. Don't you think, girls? Girls and boys? So also let this reunion inspire you to say, connected with one another. You are connecting from when, I do not know. Maybe 1 or 2 years you might have taken to gather all these friends. Friendship made in school are unique. What friendship you are making in the school are very special. They are pure, without expectation. And they stand the test of time, continue to encourage, support and uplift each other. Because together you can achieve more than alone. As a teacher, nothing can make me prouder than to see my students succeed, not just in their profession, but also a good human beings. Be a good human being. Cannot become an engineer or a doctor or something, what do you think of that? But be a normal human being. We live with integrity and compassion. I see that in many of you, and assures me that our efforts all those years were not in vain. Let us celebrate this afternoon, not just with memories of the past, but with hope for the future. May you continue to shine, to contribute to society, and to be example for the generations to follow. Thank you for remembering us, your teachers, and for inviting us to share in your joy. We may have played a small part in your journey, but moments like this reminds us why teaching is most rewarding profession of all. With heartfelt blessings and love, I wish you all good health, happiness, success in every step you take. Thank you, and may the year ahead bring you even more laughter and connection and fulfillment to each one of you. Thank you, each and everyone. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are in Hubli. So after seeing this good gathering, I felt very happy. This moment hereafter, this kind of function I may not be able to see. So this is the last batch. I think so. And we are also reached the age of most of the teachers, they are crossed 80. Some are 78, I am 78. But in next batch, whether I am going to see this kind of gathering or not.
We always
That is
pray
that
you
is
stay
doubtful.
long.
But anyhow, this time, after seeing this good gathering, still we are recollecting the back that days, school days. And even our teachers are also met, many of them. They are gone away. Only we had 8 or 9, 10 teachers we have come. So I thank you for one and all. This kind of opportunity which is given for us to speak and to see you. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Now we'll go on to Nadagati madam to speak few words for us all.
So I would like to speak to you, not afternoon, it is already delayed, but almost some assistant teachers are also waiting here. I should give chance to them also. My dear children, I am very thankful to you for having invited me for this auspicious day. So when I was there, you were very small. Now you are all wearing saris and all. Now you are mothers of so many children, wives of husbands, and grandchildren. Now you are not small. But I can't forget Railway High School English Medium Hubli, where you have showed me great honors, love and affections, including Senior DPO, DRM, and Delhi Railway Board, and Mamata Banerjee. They have very grateful ladies. They have invited me and made me happy. Now here some teachers, Barbara, Philomena, Ansi, and gents all are sitting here. I feel sometimes to go along with them only. I don't want to go home. I would like to go along with them to their houses only. I feel like that sometimes. Your children of railway employees, class 3, class 4th and all, you have studied very hard. Especially in MTS colony, 30 years I worked, and I am very thankful. And you know, some of them have become ministers, like Prahlad Joshi, my student, Anant Kumar, my students. Some are also in assistant professor like that. Children, I don't want to take much of your time. It is already nearing 1:30. And secondly, some marriage is there by the side of my house. I have to go afternoon also. So I'm very thankful to you for having called me and honored me and gave me your love and affection towards me. I wish you all the best, your families, husband, grandchildren and all. May God bless you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your kind.
We are glad, so very glad. We are glad, so glad you are here. We are glad, so very glad. We are glad, so glad you're here. When you are happy and I am happy and everybody is gay, we'll take our hats right off to you because we feel that way. Thank you, Shashikala. Thank you.
Let us go back to 96-97 to say, good morning, children. That is not the way now. I have to call you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. The railway school students are known for their gratitude towards their teachers. This is after 28 years, you remember your teachers, and what a great welcome, as if we have come to some marriage hall. What a great, day today. I'm so happy. Actually, they told me you can come to this hotel or you can come to school. I said, school is my temple. First I will come to school. So I landed in school. I could see the wonderful dressing, passionate children and all boys, not boys, gentlemen and ladies in wonderful dresses and welcoming the teacher. I am so happy. You have studied in a school that is 100 years old. It is a century-old school which has produced doctors, engineers, and so many working in railways, entrepreneurs, and teachers, and so many businessmen. All this credit goes to the railway school, which is a temple of learning. It is started in 1903 by the Britishers of those days, which was called as European school. If you want to recollect something about your school, it was called European school. And later, it was called as Anglo-Indian school. And later, after independence, it became Railway High School. And it has produced wonderful students. As the Sarla teacher, I will tell, railway school students are हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं. हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं. They are there in each and every field, which is so marvelous. We are very, very happy. We are very proud to have students like you and who remember teachers till today. We are very fortunate that we have worked in that school and with you students who are so grateful. And I wish you all long life, good health, and prosperity in your life. God bless you, all the best, and you are there in our hearts always. God bless you all. God bless you all.
Madam Shashikala and my dear colleagues gathered here. And very good afternoon to my little babies. I'm really proud to see the beautiful faces and the grown-up children. I'm so happy to see each and every one of you. I never realized I would be here, now running 75, to see this batch coming and inviting me for this lovely function. And this is the first time we were welcomed in such a beautiful way. Memorable day for us. Most memorable day for us.
Thank you, ma'am.
I wish each and every one of you, I don't think I need the mic because my voice is the same. I wish each and every one of you a very happy future and have a good life and carry on with our blessing, and our blessings will always be with you, and you, each one of you will be remembered in our prayers. I remember a few names like Nelson and a few names, especially Nelson. When I used to give out the books, I still remember was gathered here. And now once again I wish each one of you all best of luck and a bright future. Thank you, dear babies.
All of you have struggled for this function months together. I do understand that. Months together you have struggled, and you have collected as many students as possible of 96, 97, and you have spent lakhs together. You are very rich students now. You are very rich. Really, I want you to become still more rich, and always remember your parents, your teachers, and your nation, and look after your health. Health is very important. Look after your health and look after your parents, and you are there in our hearts always. We can never forget 96, 97 batch. Such a warm, wonderful welcome and wonderful, the way you have honored us, and it is really heart feeling, heart is full of happiness. We will carry all these memories throughout our life. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, I am very glad I respected to each one of you a happy and good, prosperous life. Thank you very much.
Okay, we'll move on with the group photo. I request all Section A girls and boys to come onto the stage.
afternoon to one and all. Our respected headmasters, beloved teachers, and my dear friends of the 1997 batch. Standing here today after so many years, in the very place that shaped our childhood and our character, I feel a flood of emotions, gratitude, joy, and a deep sense of belonging. It is hard to believe that it has been nearly 3 decades since we walked out of these school gates full of dreams, laughter, and innocence. Yet today, as we gather again, the 1997 batch, it feels as though time has rewound itself. The same faces, the same jokes, the same bond, only a few more gray hairs and beautiful memories added to our stories. But amidst all these emotions, the one feeling stands above all gratitude. Gratitude to our teachers, the real architects of who we have become today. Dear teachers, we think of our school days. It's not just the lessons. We remember it's you. We remember your smile, your patience, your discipline, your scoldings, your kindness, and your constant belief that each one of us are capable of something great. You did not just teach us subjects, you taught us values, you taught us the hard work matters, that honesty always wins, that respect and humanity makes a person truly educated. There were days when we came to class unprepared, sleepy, and distracted, but you never gave up on us. You corrected us, guided us, and shaped us with love. At that time, we may not have fully understood your strictness of your lessons, but today standing here as adults, as parents, professions, and responsible citizens, we realize that every word you said carried wisdom that has guided us through life ups and downs. Many of us traveled far, settled in different cities, pursued different paths, but a part of us has always remembered here in this classroom sittings, in those wooden benches, listening to your voice echoing across the room. We often talk among ourselves about how whenever life throws challenges at us, we still hear your advice in our hearts. Be strong, do your best, never give up. Those lessons have stayed longer than anything else we learned in our textbooks. Some of you dear teachers may have retired and some may no longer be with us. But their blessings, their impact, and their teachings live on those. For that, we are forever in debt. On behalf of the entire 1997 batch, I want to say thank you for your believing in us when we did not believe in ourselves. Thank you for molding us with patience, for correcting us when we earned, and for guiding us with compassion. Thank you for showing us what it means to live with purpose and integrity. We were and always will be our heroes, the silent builders of every success story in this room. When we left school, we may have thought we were saying goodbye, but today we realize our teachers' influence never ends. It continues through generations, through values, and through the life you are touched. As we look back, we also realize how much we have owed you for our confidence, our achievements, and even a sense of humanity. Each one of us sitting here carries a piece of your teachings in our hearts. And so, dear teachers, this reunion is not just us, it is for you. You are the reasons we are gathered here today, proudly calling ourselves the students of the great school 1997 batch. On behalf of 1997 batch, I express our deepest respect and love to every teacher who walked with us through those previous years. We salute your dedication, your sacrifices, and your unending love for your students. You have shaped not only our minds but our entire lives. As we celebrate today, we promise to carry forward your legacy, to live with honesty, to spread kindness, and to make you proud in everything we do. Because no matter where life takes us, to different cities, careers, and families. This school will always be our foundation, and you, our dear teachers, will always be our inspiration. Thank you from the bottom of our core hearts, from everybody of 1997 batch, done for us. May God bless you with good health, happiness, and the joy of knowing how deeply you are loved and remembered, not just today, but every single day. Thank you, teachers. You made us who we are, and we will always be proud 1987 batch. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Venkatesh. Call upon few people to come and escort our teachers to just sit down for a AV.
Move on further. Let us take a moment to remember and pray for our dear teachers, classmates, and friends who are no longer with us,
and who made our journey truly special. To our beloved teachers, you were our guiding lights. You taught us lessons beyond books, shaped our minds, and touched our hearts. Your patience, your wisdom, and your care made us who we are today. We thank you for believing in us, for correcting us, and for inspiring us to dream big. And to our dear friends, you were the laughter in our days, the strength in our struggles, and the joy that still lives in our hearts. Time has changed many things, but not our bond. This reunion is proof that true friendship never fades. It only grows stronger with time. So here's to our teachers, our friends, and the beautiful memories we'll always cherish. Once a Railway High School student, always a fan. Every reunion.
Their memories remain forever in our hearts. Thank you all. Please have your seat. Moving on to now hand over the mic to the cultural team.
Okay, so we are just running late because of some technical issues. So we just want to take this time to be a little bit interactive type. We want to know each and every one of you all. We request sound team to give one mic to everyone. Just a small kind of an intro. We don't want a very big lengthy thing since everybody is very hungry. We'll have like a very small intro. Just say hi, what's your name, where are you from, what are you doing? That's all. Is that everyone ready for that? Come on. Where's the जोश? सब कुछ बंद हो गया, खाना भूख लग रहा है. अभी पार्टी बाकी है. Okay, we request the sound team just pass on one mic. Is there a mic? Okay, I want to welcome my co-host behind me.
Thank you, Nirmala.
Okay, I just want you to just give the mic. Who is మాట్లాడండి? చెప్పండి ఏంటి అంటే.
हाँ, प्रोग्राम चालू करिए. हम आपके साथ हैं. आगे बढ़ो अन्ना हजारे, हम तुम्हारे साथ हैं.
अरे यार, मुझे तुम्हारा स्लोगन नहीं चाहिए. तुम कौन?
अनिल कटबू.
थैंक यू अनिल.
The dance master.
हाँ, सभी ऑलराउंडर है भाई.
Yes, thank you.
Can you please stand?
Yeah, I'm Supreet.
Okay.
C-section. The event is good, and you are good.
Please keep your mic near your mouth.
Nagar Unkal.
Okay.
My profession is I'm a driving school teacher.
Oh,
wow. So it's what are the related to RTO? So I'll do the RTO relation work. So and
Thank you, Suresh. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
My name is Daisy and I'm from Hubli only.
Thank you, Daisy.
Utsna Shetty. I'm from Bangalore and I'm from A section. Thank you.
Thank you, Josna.
Yes. My name is Meenakshi. I am from Bangalore. I am a B section. Thank you very much, all the friends who have gathered here for this event.
Anybody else?
My name is D. Nirmala, section B. I am from Hubli.
Thank you, Nirmala.
Oh, dear friends, my name is Renuka.
అరే అస్సలు ఎవరు మాట్లాడట్లేదు. Okay guys, this is Nirmala A from all the way from
Mamare re pa pa ma ba ga ma re sa ni re sa. झूम कर हम गा रहे हैं आज स्वागत गान.
झूम कर हम गा रहे हैं आज स्वागत गान.
मुक्त मन से हम करें सबका सदा सम्मान.
मुक्त मन से हम करें सबका सदा सम्मान.
झूम कर हम गा रहे हैं आज स्वागत गान. झूम कर हम गा रहे हैं आज स्वागत गान. स्वागतम 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 स्वागतम. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः. गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Start of doing one thing. You guys can collect your food and come back to the table, and you have to eat and see, please. Because there are a lot of people who will faint away because there is no voice coming out of their mouth. Okay. Okay, now we have second dance ready, but still I wanted to do a small filler. We want 5 people from each section. A section से 5 लोग, B section से 5 लोग, C section से 5 लोग. Can you guys please come to the stage?
Only boys. Parshuram, please come.
Come on.
Come.
A section say 5, B section
Ravindra.
say 5, and C section say 5 people.
Vishwa.
Okay. आपका नाम?
Come on guys, come on.
సాధుడివి నేనేమో అనుకున్నా నీ గురించి అంటే అందరిని కిందికి దోషి నువ్వు పైకి వస్తావు అనమాట. గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్ గ్రేట్. ఓకే
అనిల్
కమ్ ఆన్. అరే జోష్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్. Joshna, right? Yoshna. Okay, sorry. Yoshna and team.
Yoshna.
मन वाला गे
तो रुको जरा, सब्र करो।
Don't have Josh. क्या है यार ये? Where are the claps? You guys are not doing anything. सिर्फ clap भी नहीं कर रहे. अजब बात है यार ये. Come on, clap. Not slaps, claps. Okay. So we have another game. We are just trying to make you guys little, energetic because you guys are very quiet. पता नहीं क्यों. नेल्सन तुम्हारा हुबली में ऐसे रहते लोग? नेल्सन तुम्हारा हुबली में ऐसे रहते लोग?
ऐसा नहीं है, इतना जोश है कि आप देखते देखते थक जाओगे।
मैं नहीं थक रही हूँ यार।
अभी तो पिक्चर बाकी है यार।
कहाँ से यार? मुझे तो कुछ ट्रेलर भी नहीं दिख रहा है।
अभी तो जोश है, अभी बहुत कुछ बाकी है।
कहाँ पे? बुलाओ 5 लोगों को बुलाओ मुझे।
आ जाएंगे।
Come on, we want 5 girls, 5 girls from all the sections. Anthony, Vijay, Anthony, Martin, Nelson, these guys have done a great job behind the scenes, making you all sit here so comfortably, making everything arranged behind the scenes. Can we just give a big round of applause for these guys?
Anthony and team, please welcome on the stage.
La 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 la. Hey, 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 yeah. भी है झोंके वाली, झुकी गुजर जाने दे। तेरी लचक है कि जैसे डाली, दिल में उतर जाने दे। आजा बाहों में करके बहाना, होना है तुझ में फना। चांद से बारिश जो करता हमारी, देखा वो तुमको बता। शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के, करनी है हमको सता। पे मेरी हर नजर फिदा है।
आओ दलदानी माड़ा तेरा सिद्धू मूसेवाला हो अनलिमिटेड चलदे आ वैर दी लिमिटेड काउंट ने ब्रैथ दे मैं दुनिया दे ओपोजिट चलदा ते पैर दिल चलदा आ नैथ दे कईयां दे तां दिलां विच रहिना आ कईयां दे तां समझों भी बाहर नी ओ यंगा विच एज आउंदी मिठीए ते लाई जड़ा चू आउंदा तेरा यार नी यंगा विच एज आउंदी मिठीए ते लाई जड़ा चू आउंदा तेरा यार नी यंगा विच एज आउंदी मिठीए लाई जड़ा चू आउंदा तेरा यार नी
I'll tell you one dance.
Dance is smoking, dance है moonwalk, dance is grooving, it makes the world rock. Dance है cut and chai, takes you real high, tips से toe तक, hip से hop, बंगड़ा से लेके pop तक, na नाच के, let's move it. Don't you think yeah, just do it. Dance is super cool, dance is hot, लगा ले झटका with what you got. If you can shake a leg, तो dance आएगा. साला पप्पू भी नाच के दिखाएगा. न कर भेजा fry, just give it a try. नाच बिंदास, दुनिया भाड़ में जाए. दिखा दे नच के, you gotta prove it. Don't think ya da do it.
So guys, how was that? How was that? No, first no వచ్చి డాన్స్ stupid. రా అరే వేరే వాళ్ళు వేస్తే నాకు ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది నువ్వు ఎందుకు విన్ అయినావు అని తెలుసా ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైంది నువ్వు ఏంటి అసలు అని Okay, that was a beautiful thing. We really loved it. I hope everybody liked it. Okay, there's a small announcement. Hand wash is ground floor. So you guys, after eating food, you guys have to go down, wash your hands and come back again. Okay, so we have somebody from A section, Gerald, all the way from Bangalore. He's coming to entertain you all. Gerald, are you ready?
C-O-O. मेरा मैं किसी का दीवाना तो झूमो तो नाचो और मेरे साथ नाचो I am a disco dancer I